It's a certified 2017 Mercedes-Benz GLS. The standards set by the GL class meld with the standards set by the S class for another step forward in luxury. The interior is richly appointed, the performance dignified, and its ease luxurious. And it comes with all the amenities you need. Twin-turbo V8 engine, height adjustable automatic with driver control suspension, integrated navigation system with voice activation, power heated mirrors, front heated and ventilated leather bucket seats, automated parking sensors, streaming audio, doors and push-button start proximity key, dual-zone climate control, auto-dimming rearview mirror, and automatic transmission. Mercedes-Benz keeps setting the standard and driving forward. You need to drive it to believe it. See it for yourself today.
Call us at 425-673-0505, online at mblynnwood.com, or stop in and visit at 17800 Highway 99,